Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Questrade account fees. Many people ask if Questrade charges monthly or annual account fees, and the simple answer is no. Questrade does not charge an annual fee for most of its accounts, including TFSAs, RRSPs, and other registered accounts. However, it's important to understand that while there are no monthly account fees, other charges can apply depending on your activity. For example, Questrade offers optional add-on packages like Questrade Plus, which has a monthly cost. These packages provide additional features and data that a regular account may not include. There are also specific fees for certain actions, such as trading commissions for mutual funds or options, wire transfer fees, or charges for transferring your account to another institution. In summary, Questrade has a transparent fee structure with no regular monthly or annual account fees for most self-directed accounts, but you should be aware of other potential costs based on your specific investment activities. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.